Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Uchechukwu. Today we're tackling how to quit smoking effectively. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health. Let's get started. Quitting smoking is crucial. Smoking causes lung cancer, heart disease, stroke, and COPD. Each cigarette increases your risk. Quit now and your body starts to heal. The first step to quitting smoking is making a commitment. Choose a quit date within the next 2 weeks. This gives you time to prepare. Mentally prepare for the challenges ahead. Identify your triggers. Plan how to handle them without smoking. Tell your friends and family. Their support can be motivating. Visualize your success as a non-smoker. Picture the health benefits and freedom. Nicotine is highly addictive and withdrawal can be challenging. That's where nicotine replacement therapy, NRT, and medications can help. These options provide a controlled dose of nicotine to ease withdrawal symptoms. Nicotine patches, gum, and lozenges reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Prescription medications like varenicline and bupropion can also help. Talk to your healthcare provider to see if these options are right for you. Quitting smoking isn't just about overcoming the physical addiction. It's also about changing your habits and mindset. Behavioral therapy helps identify triggers and develop coping strategies. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is effective in changing thought patterns. Join a support group for community and accountability. Quit smoking apps track progress, set goals, and offer daily motivation. Cravings and withdrawal symptoms are normal, but they can be managed. Here are some tips to help you get through the tough moments. 1. Practice deep breathing. When a craving hits, take a few deep breaths. Focus on your breathing and try to relax. 2. Stay busy. Keep your hands and mind occupied. Engage in activities like exercising or doing a hobby. 3. Drink water. Staying hydrated helps flush toxins. Plus, drinking water can help reduce cravings. 4. Remind yourself of your reasons for quitting. Keeping your reasons front and center can help you stay strong. Quitting smoking is a journey, and it doesn't end once you've put out your last cigarette. Staying smoke-free for life requires ongoing commitment and support. Avoid tempting situations and stay away from places where you used to smoke. Celebrate your successes and reward yourself with something special. Stay connected to support networks to maintain your smoke-free lifestyle. Quitting smoking is challenging but rewarding for your health. Every step toward a smoke-free life leads to a healthier future. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Together, we can create a smoke-free world. Thanks for watching. Breathe easy, live well with Dr. Uchechukwu.